our regulatory body, Nepal Rashtra Bank, has made it illegal to invest, trade, or do any type of transaction in Bitcoin. In Nepal, different commercial banks and development banks can issue FCY card to their customers to purchase different goods and services in USD. Now this brings us to a very complicated problem. So how to monitor where they have used their cards? Because our regulatory bodies has explicitly explained that our customers should never invest or do any type of transaction in Bitcoin. Here, let's assume these are our customers. By the way, all of these are fictitious transaction. Okay, they don't resemble to any person, dead or living. So these are our customer whom we have issued FCY card or foreign exchange cards, and they have made purchases from different websites. So the problem here is how to determine what type of website is this. One way is to just copy and paste them in a Google search. So in this case we have only few transactions, only 8 transactions, but let's assume we have, but in reality we usually have lot of customer ranging from 1000 to million. So so in that case it will be very difficult to verify for each and every terminal location. Also you can see from here there is no clear URL. Okay, you need to determine by yourself. For this tedious job it is better we do some kind of automation. Now in this video I am going to develop a program in Python to do just that. So I will be using Google Colab. It is not necessary that you understand everything that I am going to explain here. My aim here is to make you understand how these things can be automated so that you can ask your IT department in your organization to develop a far better solution based on this concept. First thing is I have created a folder in my Google Drive, which is a website. So in this folder I have created a txt file in which I have inputted all these terminal location. Now in Google Colab I am going to create a program based on Python. You don't need to worry about the code. I will put the GitHub link in the description section below, from where you can get the code for this program. So you can see from the result, so we have successfully extracted websites, right? Name of websites from this content, and this was done with the help of regex. Regex is also known as regular expression, which is used for pattern matching. So this program is not foolproof. As you can see that out of 13 number of contents, we are able to extract only 6 websites. Now let's look at what these websites are actually about. For that we are going to write a small but yet powerful program. In order to understand what is happening in this program, we need to understand some technical aspect of website. So let's look at this aliexpress.com. If you look at the source code for this website and look at the title tag, this explains what this website is all about. So AliExpress is a e-commerce website that sells different electronics, fashion, home garden, toys and sport and other things. So this program is actually extracting that content in those title tag. So for Netflix, you can clearly see that this site hosts different TV shows, movies, right, for its users. You can see that by using this program we have saved a lot of time and effort, and this program also helps to identify any unusual website. You can see this language is in Russian, or so maybe this might indicate something suspicious. So so let's look at this website. So I am finding this dot by very unusual. Okay, I am never seen such kind of word in URL of any website. So let's try reviewing this one. Voila, you can see that this is actually a trading website and which deals with crypto. So you can easily buy and sell Bitcoin using this website. Now the problem that many organizations face is that they can this kind of websites are actually blocked in their organization, so they cannot see the actual content of this kind of website. So for that you can use this website Palo Alto URL filtering, right? So just okay, let me refresh this. Okay, so just input this website name, right? Or from this program just copy this website name to tell a robot that I am not a robot. Okay, then search this website. See, now you can see that this website category is a stock advice and tools. So this is a clear red flag. Now you need to ask your customer what they have purchased from this website along with supporting documents. Then after, you need to analyze if there is something unusual in that transaction or not. So there might be possibility that you need to file STR against those customers. Okay, let's go back to our program. So uh, we were able to successfully extract 6 websites out of these 13 content, but there are still 7 content for which we don't know where the customer have spent their money using their FCY card. So in next step, what I am going to do is I am going to split this content or split this line into 3 words. Okay, so first one will be capital.com.by, then the second one is liammesol.com, and I will convert these 2 words into websites. Okay, I am not using this third content because as you can see from here, they look like a address of some kind of city or some phone number or some random numbers. So this doesn't provide any kind of helpful information. But in your data, if you see that third word might carry some valuable information, then you can convert that word into website by using the program that I am going to write next. So now we have successfully break down these contents into 3 different words and converted this first and second word into websites. So now we are going to use this same program to extract the content in the title tag of website if it exists, meaning there might be lot of false positive as we are just converting words into different website, and for which there is a strong possibility that no such website might exist in cyberspace. So this is the best option, this is the only option that I can think right about now. But if you have any more suggestion regarding this, then I'd like to hear about it. So please put that suggestion or advice in the comment section below. Okay, we are going to write that program now. So we were successful in identifying some words as a actual website, and further we are also able to extract content in the title tags for these websites. However, there are still some content for which we are not able to identify what their websites were. So now there is no other option other than just manually searching them in a Google. But however, with this program we have able to save our time and effort in searching many of contents. We are also able to identify one website which were which might indicate that our customer may be doing some crypto transaction using that website. I hope that you have found this video useful and educational, so that you can apply the concept here in your one day-to-day job. So if you have liked this video, then please do share so that other could also benefit from it, and also please support my channel by subscribing it. Further, I will be also posting useful content like this in near future also. So I like you to click on the bell icon near the subscribe button to never miss any updates. I'm a great believer in sharing is caring principle, because nobody can do anything in isolation. This has been from my personal experience that regulatory body usually provide directives only. They don't provide any kind of benchmark, standard, guideline, or even feedback, but they are always eager to impose organization heavy fines and penalties for the lack of implementation of such directives. Therefore, it is upon risk management professional like us to pool our resources and talent and come up with best practices that we can implement in our organization to safeguard our organization from penalties and other punitive actions from regulatory bodies, and also to reduce risk in our organization. Hence, I have created this group, Community for Risk Management Professional, in Facebook, which link I will be sharing in the description section below. It would be a real honor for me if you could join this group and share your knowledge and experience, so that we could be all benefited from your personal insights. So let's help each other to help ourselves. Finally, I like to thank you for taking some time out of your busy schedule to watch this video, and I hope it was worthwhile.